Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting friends, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile phone language full setting, how to change phone language, how to add language on lava mobile friends. One by one, step by step we will talk about lava mobile language setting. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will on lava mobile phone setting, and after on phone setting friends you can see this type interface on lava mobile. So friends, where is language setting? So friends, you can find your language setting on your lava mobile system setting guys. Click here system setting. After system setting friends, you can see first option language and input setting friends. Click here language setting. Friends, I have already added this two language, and friends you want to add any language on your lava phone device, so you can add language. So which language you want to use guys, select your language and you can add from here. Friends, you want to add guys Marathi language, Nepali language, friends, Sanskrit language. Friends, there are many language, Punjabi language, and this language friends I don't know about, so guys I will not add. So friends, you want to add Marathi language, so you can add Marathi language from here. Friends, you can see Marathi Bharat you want to add, so you can add from here. So like that friends, you can add language. After add language, get which language you want to use on your lava phone device. Select your language. Friends, I will select only Hindi language because guys I know only Hindi and English. I don't know about language except Hindi and English. So friends, I will change my phone language English to Hindi. And friends, you can see my phone language will Hindi. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM card, display setting, smart touch setting, battery setting, intelligent setting, password setting, system setting, phone setting. So friends, phone language will Hindi. And friends, you want to use Hindi language, so you can use Hindi language on your lava phone device. And friends, you don't want to use Hindi language, friends you want to set English language, so friends click here phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. Friends, click here lava mobile system setting. Language setting is bhasha or input setting. Friends, click here again, click here and then select your English language. And guys, English language will set. Friends, you can see phone language will change Hindi to English. And friends, we can use English language on lava mobile. Friends, Hindi language will remove from your screen and you cannot use. And friends, which language guys you have added, you want to remove this language, so you can remove. Three dot, click here remove option, select language guys, which language you want to remove, select and you can remove it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to set up language and how to use language setting on lava mobile. Bye friends.